Ho ho! He's fucking massive, isn't he? What's up, bitch? So I'm Ethan. I'm building a game called Stone&Steel, a brutal medieval strategy game. This week, I fought with ChatGPT in order to make the images I actually wanted to make, remove backgrounds, and generally speaking, get the thing damn working. Now, as you can see, this process took quite some time. That's actually going to do. Oh, wow. You just gave me the. You didn't give me the same damn thing. I don't know why you haven't removed the background. Of going back and forth, of not only doing script and making script and trying to improve script, but also trying to actually make images as well. Now, the biggest issue I did have was actually going and trying to make the images actually work and not have backgrounds within them. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. I'm going to a different ChatGPT. I say remove the background. Remove, and it proceeds to give me a background. Which, as you can see, didn't really go to plan. And so I kept going back and forth over and over. And so I pressed on, continuing to try and get this thing to work. But there was no use. Until after enough repetitions, I finally managed to get something to work. Although in the video it didn't look like I was very pleased, I was actually deep down pretty pleased. And so without further ado, I just decided to download it and move on to the next image. However, what I was really struggling with was trying to actually get the equipment to actually come through on the actual equipment detail panel. And it took me so long to get this done. And it really frustrated me when I realized what it was, until I got this error. That's good, but it's... Yay. Wonder if I can just do that and it will be like, yep, no worries. Or whether it will make an entirely new image, which is usually what it does. Yeah, that's right. It's just another image. But in all things serious, I pretty much just kept going at it until I mean this got pretty late. Like as you can see in terms of the video, like my screen gets pretty dark. Now from here, I pretty much continued on, where I was working at two things at once. Obviously, trying to make images which didn't have backgrounds, which I was finally able to do, and also just focusing on trying to get the balance mechanic to work in my game, and was able to make some pretty nice images along the way. That's so funny. That's so funny. What the hell is that? And just, oh, you're just keeping the background. Why are you doing that? Oh, man, you are kidding. You are kidding. You know what? I might have to draw around. One of the biggest frustrations I think I came across was just AI sometimes not working the way I want it to. And as you can see, obviously, in the video so far, usually that was just the background images, but sometimes the script. And the main thing I was working on here, which you might not have been able to see, is the equipment in terms of the armor wasn't actually appearing in the game scene. And it took me so long to realize that the equipment just wasn't coming through because of the equipment manager all the way in the town scene. It had nothing to do with the game scene. It had just been because I had changed up stuff recently and didn't go back and change the equipment manager. But luckily I was able to have a bit of fun along the way. Yes! I can't believe how long that took. Ooh, that's nice, dude. Cool, that was really good. Overall, the process was a bit grueling, but I was able to finally fix the error, and now I can focus more on getting this balance system fully sorted, and then moving on to making sure that the armor coverage system is also working as well as I wanted to as well. But that said, as you can see by the video, it took me a very long time. Where at the beginning of the session there was daylight outside, And by the end of the session, I was well into the evening trying to still work away at this balanced mechanic system, which I just really couldn't seem to get the hang of. But we are almost there. And actually, what was really cool as well is I was able to take the character sprite and I was able to give the ChatGPT and get it to change the image in different stances, like wobbly, like that they had fallen over and they had been downed, or that they had stumbled, and got to make those images. Those were really good. But overall, that was pretty much where actually we were with the game development session there. Now my focus for the upcoming week will pretty much be getting that balance system working, making sure that my armor coverage system actually works as well. And then from there, we can actually start getting into the actual game in terms of all of the different parts of the game, all of the different scenes, settings, actions, decisions you need to make. And that I'm really looking forward to. But hopefully you enjoyed the little fun struggle that I've been sharing. Look forward to the next devlog, and I'll catch you soon.